Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a very important lesson. Types of sentences. Yes, my dear students, this is part of your grammar. There are different types of sentences and each sentence tells us something different. So today we are going to learn how many types of sentences are there, what are they called and how we can differentiate. आज हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस पढ़ेंगे. सेंटेंस का क्या टाइप है और उससे हमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है. सो देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. So let's learn more about it. Sentence types introduction lesson. Why are there different types of sentences? Different sentence types help a reader identify the purpose and intent behind the sentence. जब हम कोई सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं तो हमें उसके रीडर पंक्चुएशन मार्क से हमें ये समझ में आता है कि रीडर ने इसे किस टोन में कहा है. What is the purpose? Excuse me. So for example, is the reader saying, asking a question? Is the reader telling this in a tone where he is surprised? So it helps us to understand the purpose behind the sentence. When you are reading the sentence types and the correlating punctuation help you understand how things are being said. So the punctuation marks are exclamatory sign, question mark, full stop. So they help us understand what is the tone. क्वेश्चन मार्क हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमें ये देखना होता है कि हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. What are you doing? What are you saying? How did you do this? I'm asking you a question. Exclamation में मार्क में कैसे होगा? Hurrah! We won the match. Yippee! We are going for a party tonight. So here we say hurrah, hippie, oh my god. So exclamation mark जब हम लोग कोई sudden strong emotion show करते हैं. So we are going to learn more about these. Declarative sentence. So as we know, there are 4 types of sentences. The first one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence का क्या मतलब है? ये सेंटेंस एक स्टेटमेंट होता है. ये सेंटेंस हमको बताता है कोई इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में. सो लेट्स रीड. Declarative sentence is a statement intended to give us some information. It is the most common type of sentence. It ends with a period. For example, I will say, I like dogs. The character is wearing green shirt. I did not bring a pencil. I am hungry. I have to go home. So all these sentences which I have given you, they all are examples of declarative sentence. Interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? A sentence which is ending with a question mark or a sentence which is asking a question. आपसे कोई question पूछ रहा हूँ. Like interrogative sentence ask a question. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. इसको आप ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हो. पुलिस अगर आती है तो वो क्वेश्चन पूछती है ना, आप कहाँ थे, कल रात आप क्या कर रहे थे, आपने फोन पे किससे बात की. सो व्हाट आर दे डूइंग? दे आर आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस. सो इट इज कॉल्ड इंटेरोगेशन. पुलिस इज डूइंग इंटेरोगेशन. सो इंटेरोगेशन से इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस याद रखिए. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस मीन्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. डू यू लाइक डॉग्स? What color shirt is the character wearing? Can I borrow a pencil? So when I'm talking, I come to know that with the tone कि ये question है. But how will I explain when I'm writing with a question mark and the sentence type will also change. The way I write a sentence question will also change. I hope it is clear. And if you have any doubt, you can leave a comment. We will surely get back to you. Declarative sentence purposes. A declarative sentence is intended to give us information. Imperative sentence इसका क्या मतलब है? An imperative sentence gives us a command and instructs someone to do something. They can end with a period or an exclamation mark. So they end with a full stop or an exclamation. So generally अगर हमें command देनी है या कोई instructions देनी है, our tone of speaking is imperative. Call him, don't shout, be quiet, go get the dog now, go put on a pink shirt. So here I am using imperative sentence. Imperative sentences usually command देते हैं या फिर वो instruction based होते हैं. Open your copies. Open page number 52. So all these sentences are imperative sentences. They also end with a full stop or an exclamation. Exclamatory sentence. Now what are exclamatory sentences? An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotions like anger, excitement and surprise. तो ये वाले जो sentences होते हैं ये बहुत strong likes बताते हैं, बहुत strong emotions like surprise और excitement बताते हैं. So what is an exclamatory mark? See, this is an exclamatory mark. You can see this yellow mark I have put. Wait, let me change the color. Can you see this green mark I am putting? Yes, this is an exclamatory mark. So, जब मुझे कोई strong emotions बताना है जैसे कि anger, what are you doing? जैसे मुझे कोई strong emotion बताना है excitement या surprise, then I use an exclamation. They always end with an exclamation point. I broke my pencil. I forgot my pencil box. All these sentences, when I'm speaking, I can add an exclamation when I am writing. Now, how many types of sentences are there? Let's take a quick review. 4 types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Now, give examples for each. Give one example for declarative, for interrogative, for imperative, and exclamatory. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. I hope it was very clear with you and you were able to understand it. Thank you for being till here.